Hello Fixers, welcome back to FixEdge. If your Microsoft Edge won't open or keeps on crashing on your Windows 10 or 11 PC, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you 4 quick ways to fix this in just few minutes. So without further delay, let's dive in. First, we have to end all the Edge processes. For that, press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the Task Manager. Here, scroll down to find Microsoft Edge processes. This is the Microsoft Edge process. We need to end this one. Select the Edge and on the top there will be option End Task. Have to click on this or else right click on this Microsoft Edge and select the option End Task. It will end the Edge process. See, now it disappeared from this processes list. After doing this, close the task manager and try opening Edge. If you are still not able to open the Edge, in the second step, we need to clear the Edge cache. For that, go to C drive. Open the File Explorer, go to this PC, C drive, Users. Under that, find your username. Click on that. We have to search for App Data folder. App Data folder will be hidden. So go to View, Show Hidden Items. See, now App Data folder has been appeared. Click on that. Then Local, search for Microsoft. Here Edge, User Data, Default and Cache. Here we need to select all the contents in the cache data folder. So press Ctrl A and delete it. You can do Shift Delete or only delete. Then close this window and try opening your Microsoft Edge. If you are still unable to open the Microsoft Edge, we can go for repairing the Edge via settings. For that, go to search for settings. Open it. On the left hand side, select apps. Right hand side, select the option installed apps. Find the Microsoft Edge. Here it is. Go to this 3 dots. There will be option modify and uninstall. We are just repairing that one. So click on modify. Click on yes for the prompt. The repair window will come. Just click on that repair. This will not delete your data. It just fixes the issues with the Edge. So wait for the repair to complete. Repairing has been done. Close the settings window and try launching your Microsoft Edge. If all of the above steps will not fix your Edge issue, we can go for resetting the Edge. For that, so open the Microsoft Edge, top right side 3 dots will be available. Click on that settings option. On the left hand side there will be option reset settings. So select the reset settings to their default value. Just click on reset. If you have any saved password or your history, everything will be cleared from here. So just close, restart the laptop once and try working in Edge. That's it. One of these steps should fix Microsoft Edge issue. Drop a comment if it is worked. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to FixEdge for more Windows Fix videos. Thank you for watching.